Here is me testing out my telescoping rod on Spring Creek, and this video would have ended up being like 15 minutes long if I would have included all the fishing footage, so I just made the fishing footage into a separate video. And I was just throwing a homemade spinner and a different brand of spinner.
Alright. That one on it. For the rainbow. Yeah. First fish in the telescoping rod. Trout. Little brownie. No, that's a chub. Never mind. There's some good bait. Nice little chub. Red trout. That's a tiny trout. Holy crap, that is a tiny brown on the spinner. Tiny. Another bowl. Nice. Nice little bowl. What the fuck? Is that the same bowl? Another one. They're such scraggly little fish. They're brown, isn't it? Red shell. Nice. There's number two. First brownie on the rod, and he released himself. Perfect.
So the day when I tested out my telescoping rod, I caught 5 trout, 3 rainbows, and 2 browns, although the browns were small. And then the next day, which this picture I just before this is from, I was thinking about using my canoe to like float down a creek and to try to trout fish in a creek from my canoe to fish creeks that are like really overgrown with reed canary grass and other vegetation along their bank and have a soft bottom and are difficult to wade upstream. So I paddled like a quarter mile downstream, and then I started fishing my way back up, thinking you spook the fish floating over them. But if you fish paddled upstream in the canoe, you could catch fish. And I had taken worms with me this day and a spinner, and only got one hit when I was floating downstream with a spinner. But when I started fishing up back upstream, like I wasn't getting that many bites with the spinner, but I was drifting worms, and I ended up catching 4 trout on worms and 2 on spinners. They eventually started to hit spinners. I went farther up the creek, and I missed a couple nicer fish. And on this creek, the fish I was getting were like all 10 to 13 inches, so their size was much better. And I actually forgot my camera on my girlfriend's table of her entryway when I went to go back out fishing, so I don't have any footage of it. But it was a good adventure and it worked out. I'm gonna try to make a video of me doing that in a different creek. And I think it may work well. I might try, should maybe try it on Black Earth Creek or somewhere once I patch my canoe. So, thanks for watching this episode of Musky Hands Outdoors, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet.